To add people you trust to your emergency contacts list on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Tap emergency contacts. Next, tap add emergency contact. Select the desired contact. Tap done button. By adding a contact to your emergency contact list, the contact will be contacted when you start emergency sharing. However, depends on your setting. When you do emergency sharing, your phone will share your surrounding to your emergency contact by attaching pictures taken with the front and rear cameras and recorded audio and then send it to them. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.